exercise, and then I figured it out.
Okay. So
My
guys.
hand here,
Okay.
it'll get caught on the go,
Okay.
and so I'll be trying to stop,
Okay.
and like when instead of like, I need to see if you look here where the hands are.
Yeah.
I should probably keep my hands here,
Okay.
but I end up getting a bite on it, and so then I'm.
Yeah, it's gonna be more raised. Yeah, I got it.
And it's going and trying to break at the same time.
Yeah. So guys, ये एक बाइसिकल है यहाँ पे, मैं आपको बताता चलता हूँ कि कनाडा में आप यहाँ पे देखें, आप ये इलेक्ट्रिकल बाइक है। अगर आपके पास इस तरह की बाइक होती है तो आप इसमें चार्जिंग कर सकते हो। इसके अलावा अपने डिलीवरी जॉब्स वगैरह जो है वो इस पे कर सकते हो। सो ओके, हाउ मेनी किलोमीटर्स वंस यू चार्ज, हाउ मेनी किलोमीटर्स इट्स वर्क? Miles, okay, not kilometers. 15 miles.
Yes.
That's a good 15 miles. So
Now, problem.
yeah.
You run out of electricity.
Yeah.
Small tire.
A small tire. No, I mean like
Yeah, but you have to pedal home.
okay.
So and the small tire means the bigger the tires are,
Yeah.
the easier
To move,
yes,
right?
because I have to make many revolutions to make one big revolution.
Oh, I got it.
This is the size of a toddler tire.
I got it.
Like their first bike.
Okay, that's so cool. Actually, ये electrical bike है यहाँ पे, इसके लिए you don't need a license for drive this bike, right? No license. So आपको इस तरह की बाइक चलाने के लिए कोई लाइसेंस लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You don't need anything, you know. और आपको ये बहुत सस्ती मिल जाती है. What's the price for this kind of bikes?
This one's out of style right now, but the brand new it's a Jetson. There's
Jetson.
one coming out called Jetson 2.
Okay.
$800.
$800. The new one. You're talking about new
Brand
one.
new, yes,
Brand new.
brand new.
तो आपको जो ब्रांड न्यू है वो $800 में मिलती है, बट आपको जो है वो सेकंड हैंड 300-400 तक की मिल जाती है. बट ब्रांड न्यू की जो है वो जो है बैटरी टाइमिंग वो है 8 आवर तक चलती है, 8 घंटे तक आप उसको चार्ज कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे इसका प्लग लगा हुआ है चार्जिंग का. सो ही शो मी. और सबसे बड़ी बात है आप इसको अपने साथ रख सकते हो. सो ये चार्जिंग, इट्स चार्जिंग प्लग, राइट?
Yes.
Okay, show us like how you fold the bike. You fold inside, right? So ये charging plug है. It's very awesome. So it's amazing. So ये you can charge anywhere as well. Oh yeah.
42 volt.
42 volt है यहाँ पे. इसके अलावा can you show us how to fold
I just
the
remembered I
yeah.
had that.
So you fold everything you show me before, right? तो और ये इतनी कंफर्टेबल है, आप जैसे किसी रूम में रहते हो, छोटे से रूम में, तो आपको चोरी होने का डर नहीं है. You fold your bicycle and you have to take with the bicycle in the room or anywhere. So he will show you how to fold the electrical bike. First you have to push.
Open.
That's amazing. And
Yes.
here we go. Wow, it's amazing. Yes. Magnet, okay.
Small magnet.
Okay, there is also small, you can see a tire, so yes.
Yes. So now I have 3 points.
Wow.
Now, too much.
Okay. And
Push.
yeah, push,
And flip.
flip. Oh, that's cool. So ये छोटी सी हो गई, देख रहे हैं आप?
Now I keep that off the ground.
Okay.
If I do it with the pedal right there.
Okay. So you can walk like this, right?
Yes. And I got my.
So ये दोनों जुड़ भी जाते हैं, ये इस तरह बाइक. Wow. It's gonna be work. That's so cool. So आप यहाँ पे इस तरह से जो है वो उसकी थैली लग रही है, but you can walk like that. So वो उसको वहाँ पे joint लग जाता है, तो you can
It's off waiting it is my back.
I understand. I tell them. So it's very nice bike, guys, and he's my friend. He's very nice person, very good, and he show us like how to do this bicycle and all the stuff. I may know your name. You're a very good person, sir. Tin. Nice to meet with you, Tin, sir.
Yes.
Thank you so much for my coming in my video.
Absolutely.
And he's a very nice person.
He's a good man. You like his channel. You like his work. He's a good man. He puts out good work.
Thank you so much, and I have a gift for you.
Okay.
Yep.